Hi, I'm Rex with OEM Products. Today we're going to show you how to change out the battery charger on a Storm SS battery powered floor scraper. We need to take this toolbox off, so first thing we're going to do is take this connection loose for the backup alarm and take the 4 bolts out of the inside here. Okay, before we do any additional removal of any of these cables, we're going to disconnect the battery indicator so that we don't damage it. And then we can go back and take the wires loose from the battery. Okay, so now we're going to remove the negative cable from the battery. I've selected this set of wires that goes to the faulty charger, so we're going to remove the bolt. This is a 13 millimeter socket. We're going to remove the one that's faulty, and we're going to just set this back on there for temporary, and we can pull this wire out through the bottom. And now we can go over here and do the same thing with the positive cable. Okay, both of the charger wires are on the positive side right here. So I'm going to take this nut loose. And I'm going to remove the wire for the faulty charger. Temporarily put the nut back on, and then we can remove the charger and install the new one. Okay, now that we've got all the wires loose on the charger, we can remove the 4 bolts that are on the 4 corners of the charger. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. Okay, now we're ready to remove the charger. And we can put the new one in. So we have the new charger. We're going to put back down in the hole here. And we're going to insert the bolts in from the back side. All right, we're ready to tighten those up. And we can run the cables up through into the battery area. Run the positive cable to that side. Okay, so I've run the positive cable under the pump, under all the hydraulic hoses, and now we're going to reconnect it back underneath the positive terminal. And we'll get it good and snug on there. Now we're ready to go connect the negative. Okay, so we're ready to put the negative back onto the battery. Do nothing with the green wire. We do not use the green wire. whenever you're putting this on, it may or may not spark just one time. That is not anything to be wary of. It's just normal. Then we're going to tighten this up. You never want to use an impact driver on the battery connections. You may damage the battery. Strip it out. All right, now we're ready to put the toolbox back on. And we're going to tighten those 4 bolts. And then we'll connect the backup alarm cable, and we're ready to go.